Good afternoon, good people. What's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we are just chilling and relaxing. I'm trying to, shift my focus and get inspired today. So today, I'm going to record some more videos. Say hi, Joseph. We had an amazing Easter, you guys. It was so fun. We stayed home and we made eggs and we just spent a lot of time together. Say hey, hubby, back there. So today is a very chilled day. Nothing really major is happening. I'm probably gonna cook dinner tonight. I'm not sure what I'm gonna cook, but I have a little helper here who's gonna help me out.
Yeah.
And I'll probably take a bubble bath tonight as well. I think I need some new flowers. If I get some new flowers, I know I will feel better. And I'm gonna listen to a few podcasts. I did my makeup earlier, you guys, but I took it off because I wasn't feeling it. I'm gonna do a tutorial for you guys a little later. I'm just trying to force myself to actually feel good, which I feel good, but my energy is low. So today consists of us just chilling. I'm gonna take you guys along with me today, which I don't even plan on doing anything. Yeah, I might go outside and work out a little bit. I'm gonna wait till the sun set a little bit, and I'm gonna go outside and probably work out for 30 minutes.
Me too.
And Joseph can come with me because
I need to get back to shape.
Yeah, you do. You're perfect. Yeah. So I'm gonna work out a little bit today. I'm gonna get my weights out of my trunk, and I'm actually gonna work out. You guys, how you guys feeling my hair? This is a new unit from Sealy Hair. Review will be coming soon. Guys, so I decided to be productive today, right? And finally, hush, Joe. So finally, I decided to come in my room. This is a project that I have been dreading because it's just a lot. And my darn rack broke. But this, I'm gonna put my clothes in piles, because if I try to get everything out all at once, it's gonna be just too much. I literally can shop my closet. I have so many clothes with tags. I just found this really cute bodysuit from Forever 21. Never wore this bodysuit. I found this pretty little thing dress. Never wore this pretty little thing dress. Oh my gosh. I found this shirt here. I only wore this shirt one time. And yeah, I want to wear it again. I found this dress here from Fashion Nova. This is really cute. It is a lot going on, but it's really pretty. I never wore that before. I just found so many cute stuff in my closet that I never worn. I got this shirt here. I got it from the thrift store. It's brand new, 100% cotton, really nice. So I am going through this closet, and this stuff here, I think I'm going to put it on my Poshmark, give it away, sell it, all that. But I'm just on this section here, and this stuff on this side is gonna be like my winter stuff. I'm gonna fold that up and kind of put it in the back of the closet. Not fold it up, but I'm kind of put it in the back of the closet. And another day. So today, you guys, I am trying a new recipe. My cousin Terry put me onto this. Shout out to my cuz. So today we're gonna do a homemade lasagna. I never did this before, so I'm excited to see what it tastes like, and just to switch things up a little bit. I'm about to have me a glass of wine. I filmed 3 videos today, so I've been on the go. Like, I had a productive day, but now it's time to unwind and just so I'm about to have me a glass of wine and put dinner on, and I'm about to look at this movie that says, I think it's called Always a Bridesmaid on Netflix. So I'm about to look at that and just vibe out. for today. And I might put on some hookah today. It's 4:20, so I might smoke me a little hookah tonight. I don't know. I don't know, you guys, but I'm about to get dinner on. Here is what I need. Here's what you need. You need some hamburger meat, of course, your ground beef. Do you guys call this hamburger meat or do you call it ground beef? You also need lots and lots of cheese. I got mozzarella cheese, slices, and also the shredded cheese. And I also got the Mexican 4-cheese blend. So I think that's enough cheese. If I have to go get some more, I will. And I also have the lasagna noodles and the Prego sauce. So she told me what I need, so I'm gonna try this out. It sounds good. We love lasagna, so we're gonna try this out. Okay, you think they're ready? And I'm just gonna unwind, girl. I got a little makeup on today, which is good because I be looking like a bum, honestly. But I did some videos today, so I had to put a little makeup on, and I kind of fixed my hair a little bit today, so I look a little bit back to normal. But and I also did my nails, y'all. They are so cute. They're so short. So yeah, that's what's going on today. It's just a vibe. It is just a vibe. I did give me some roses. Let me show y'all. I got me some roses, but I want more because I don't know, these don't look, I need another batch of roses. So I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and get me some more, but these are fresh. Oh, that's so fresh. White roses look so pure and they're so soft. So pretty. So yeah, you guys know how flowers make me feel. So I'm gonna get me some more though. They didn't have a lot of options, but I know Whole Foods will. So before we get dinner on, you guys, we're gonna pour us up a glass of wine. I'm running low on wine, you guys. This is Pink Moscato by this brand here. I'm gonna burn me a candle because I have to set the vibe when I'm cooking. I usually listen to my music, but I think I'm gonna watch the movie. Yeah, I think I'm gonna watch the movie. Or should I listen to music? I think I'm gonna watch the movie because I never watch movies. I'm gonna put my noodles on because I'm assuming that these take longer to cook. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cook my ground beef. So I am now back to the scheduled program. Back to the scheduled program. I'm gonna upload videos this week. I'm gonna be productive this week. The last 2 weeks I kind of been, but this week is gonna be a good week. I cooked Joseph some pizza rolls until dinner it gets ready because he's a little hungry. Do I need 2 boxes? I think I'm gonna do 2 boxes. I never cooked these before. Let me call Terry and ask her, do I break them? I think I break them. Let me call her. Guys, it is smelling good in here. We got the ground beef cooking. We have the noodles cooking. The pasta, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna throw out this old coffee, but hopefully everybody is doing okay. I know sometimes it gets hard, honey. I know. I'm gonna light this maple cinnamon pancake candle. I'm gonna place an order on Bath and Body Works. I'm waiting on them to have a sale before I order, but I need more candles. Like, literally, my cousin said these candles from the Dollar Tree smell so good. It's called Bougie Perfume. Yeah, scented candle, bougie perfume from the Dollar Tree. I'm like, okay, I'll try it. She said they smell really good, so we gonna see. A candle is a candle, right? So you're gonna go ahead and drain the grease off of your meat.
All of this shit just feel like a movie. Like, this shit ain't real. This shit just...
Yeah, you're gonna just go ahead and drain the grease off of your meat. Try to drain as much as you could. Then we're gonna go ahead and take your sauce.
Nah, nigga. Right.
For a nice amount, because I want a nice and juicy lasagna. We don't want a dry lasagna. For a little bit more. Yeah. And I think that is enough. I'm gonna save this for another time if I decide to make another lasagna. I need a new pot set. I'm gonna go to Amazon and order me a new pot set.
Right.
So I did my first layer of meat. Now I'm gonna do my mozzarella cheese. I want to lay about 4 because mozzarella cheese is really thick. So here's my noodles. So I think I just lay these down. She said don't cook them all the way because it still has to bake. So here's my noodles. Can you guys see? So I'm thinking they go like that. So that's my first layer. Then she said meat sauce. I'm gonna put 4 at the top. Then we're gonna add a whole bunch of cheese. A whole bunch of cheese, okay? A whole bunch. Okay guys, so I drowned this in cheese. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, and it's about to go in the oven. You do not need to use a whole box of pasta. Look how much pasta I have left. It is finished and it is good. I was already starting to eat. I'm like, I didn't even show them the finished results. It's really good. Sit down and eat. So good. Hi guys, I am full. I've cooked I am about to sit in front of my fireplace, play a movie, and just relax for the rest of the night. This is my second cup of wine, and I feel nice. Moscato tonight. I'm gonna finish it up. I'm gonna go take me a nice shower and get in the bed. Well, I'm not gonna get in the bed. I'm not ready to get in the bed. Baby, can you put this in the garbage for me? I'm not you got a napkin? You gonna wipe the table off?
You know